it's Molly. Welcome to my channel. For those that don't know me, I am an abstract artist here in Florida, working primarily in fluid art. And for those that do know me, hello again. Before we get started, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy holiday, no matter where you are around the world. I hope that your holiday season is absolutely wonderful. Tonight, I'm gonna work on two 12 by 12 canvases, and I'm gonna do a kind of like, I guess, a double diamond Dutch, or I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I'm gonna make them touch in the center like little diamonds, and then I'm gonna do the puddle pour and blow them out. So I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, I'll get you down on the canvas. Okay, hey you guys, I'm gonna be doing, I wanna do two 12 by 12s, and I want them to hang this way in a diamond formation, and I'm gonna do the puddles here and blow them out this way. So that is my plan. I am just using paint and water again. These are Amsterdam paints. I've been playing around because I ordered a big shipment of them. And my colors that I'm using are Naphthol Red Light, Sky Blue, Primary Magenta, Permanent Red Violet, and Azo Yellow Deep. So a lot of different colors for me. Let me blow out this white and I'll be back. Okay, so I think I'll start with the bright magenta here. I'm gonna do them a little bit off center because I'm really gonna blow them this way. Oh, that's maybe a little too close. Oh well. I'm gonna do the orange. I'll go with, this is always difficult to try to figure out what color, because I don't want them to be muddy. And I also don't want a bunch of green when I add this yellow. So maybe not a ton of yellow, and then the rest of the yellow I'll put over here. I wanted this to kind of be like springy, to feel like spring. I really love this color here. And that magenta I really like. Okay, so I see a little bit of almost lime green that Azo Deep Yellow and the Sky Blue are making, which is really pretty. A little bit of white, and then I'm gonna pour white around. Not too much. I say not too much. Yeah, right, guys. I always pour too much. Oh, goodness. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. I feel like there's more color here than there is here, but, you know, can't win them all, huh? Let me finish off my blue. All right. So I'm just torching out air bubbles currently. Don't want to get it too close, don't want to scorch the paint. Okay, so now I'm going to blow out this way. That's really pretty. And now I'm going to blow out this way. They have their own personalities, and I like that because I didn't want them to be exactly the same. I love the colors that are in there. I may fiddle and blow just a little bit, but I'll do that off camera. Now I'm just gonna get the air bubbles out. See, there's a lot of colors that are up underneath there. And I'm learning a lot with this because some of these colors have, they seem to be glossy and that they have a different reaction, even with using just water. So, see, there come those cells. Don't scorch too much, Molly. Very, very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna blow these out. I'm gonna see how they dry, and then I will let you guys know. Okay, so that sky blue mixed together with that yellow to make like a beautiful like aqua green. Excuse me. Torching brought up all these little cells, and those actually were not air bubble cells. Those were torching actually activated that. So I'm still learning every single day. It amazes me. So you guys don't feel bad for learning, for not being able to, I don't know if I can replicate this. I mean, I'll obviously try, but it's having a different reaction than what I used last week. And it's got to be the colors and the finishes of the colors. Look at those. Oh my gosh. There's no silicone in this. None. So that's what they look like together. A little bit different, but I really, really like them. And then I'll show you when they're dry. All right, bye guys. Okay, you guys, here they are. They are dry. Look at those beautiful little cells that popped up. I was worried that those weren't going to stay that way. But wow. This one's definitely my favorite. This one ended up a little more airy. I like that big burst of pink color in the middle of this one. But the cells in this one are just beautiful as well. And I kind of like them hung. Look, I like that little blue. Oh my gosh, I love these. Just paint and water, guys. But yeah, this one, I like the maroon part, or not maroon, the bright magenta part of that one. But I just love them, and I like them hung as diamonds, even though they're squares. I know diamonds are a different shape a little bit, but yeah, love it. You guys let me know what you think. All right, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.